We're here to solve this cave called Primes by Mark Sweep. We're going to start in this corner where whether this comes down or to the right, it always takes this cell. And taking that cell looks like it's going to have an issue with the 3 down below. These won't be able to join because the 3 will take this cell or this cell and then can't take 2 more. The 7 in the first column can take as many as 5 in the column, so 6, 7 coming across are required. This can be cut off. 11 could take maybe 7 in the row, so 8, 9, 10, 11 can take 7 in the column, 8, 9, 10, 11. This 3 has 1 cell taken, the other is going to be above or to the right of it, so you mark those off. Actually, the 7 can take 5 in the column, so we'll take as many as at least 2 coming this way, and that finishes the 3. The 7 can take 5 in the row, so always takes 6, 7. That comes up and joins to the 5. So that looks pretty good. One thing that looks to be shaping up, there's something interesting in this corner, which is that we can't have this 5 and the 11 join. So one thing that does right away is, for instance, marks in this cell. But notice actually why this square is important. If this is taken, actually all of them have to be taken because of the no 2x2 checkerboard rule. So because the 5 and 11 don't join, this is a forced blocker, and that's going to be very key for us. First is going to move this 5 up here. This 7 now sees 6 cells, so it doesn't want to take another coming over here. This being just 2 over on the side means this 5 is 0 across. So this all works out. The 2 connects in here, and we finish out this pattern. This now, the 11 has just 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 joining up here. So this cell can only escape by coming up and over. This 5 now completes up, and these 5s come across, and so we've got a hard escape for this path. This 7 is complete, but now the 7 alone only goes up and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These get marked in. These cells still have to escape out to be an edge of the grid. In doing that, we actually complete the 7 coming down, completes this 2. The 7 now has to be all vertical. The 11 will need to take 4 cells to work. So these are all forced. This 5 in the corner can take 3, 4, always takes this 5. No checkerboard requires this cell to be taken. Marking those in actually completes the 5 fully. That requires these to come through. No checkerboard here. The 7 can only reach across, and to get to the edge of the grid, we've got a shade in the last cell. So pretty great puzzle from Mark Sweep. It had different ways to start, but a lot of min-max clues and counting along the edge as we eventually started to isolate some of these cells here. We got some neat escape logic to the edges of the grid to work through this puzzle. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks, Mark, for the grid, and we'll see you again soon.